So Amanda's been knocking up a papaya salad with noodle. Now the papaya salad has got crab, it's got shell, and we're going to have nut, and there's lime, and there's papaya, and there's tomato, and there's chili, and noodle, and that's what Amanda's having for dinner. I don't know what she's making now. She's making some salad, tomato, lettuce, and all that sort of stuff. So that's going to be Amanda's dinner, breakfast.
Papaya salad and vegetable and egg.
Okay, but what we're doing is I've also prepared vegetable for a pat kapow, and I'm going to make pat kapow later, and Amanda's going to video me making pat kapow, and we'll tell you all the ingredients to make that in the next part of the video. That's it now. That's going to be Amanda's breakfast come lunch. But also you can see in the background this table here. Look at this. It's just full of junk. Amanda. Oh, handsome man. So yeah, that's her breakfast. We're going to be making mine in a little while. Yeah, hello, Cheap Dave here. Going to make pat kapow. Pat kapow, is it moo? Chicken?
Chicken.
Yeah, what's moo?
Chicken.
Yeah, so pat kapow moo, chicken. So what we've done, I've prepared the chicken into chunks. We got onion, carrot and pepper.
Chili.
Yeah, chili. Here we have the kapow, and here we have garlic. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to crush the garlic with like how. So basically you're just opening up the garlic, and that'll do, yeah? Is that okay? In here?
No, in the pan.
Oh.
Take oil in the pan and open the light and take garlic.
Okay, so we switch on the pan, put a spot of oil. Is that enough?
Leave up to you like.
Okay, that's enough oil then. So we put the garlic into the pan and
Take salt in the bowl. Take salt.
1 second, let's just give it a covering oil. So we'll leave that to get going. That's to get going. Now, what we do, we make a little bit of the sauce now. So we get this stuff here.
ซอสหอยนางรม
Yes.
1 spoon.
So we put 1 spoon of this in.
Color white.
Okay.
Quickly pan
Okay.
hot.
Okay, so that's that. Then we put, hold on. Then we put, okay, we turn that off for a second because it's just getting too hot. We get 1 spoon of sugar. Let me just stir this garlic. This is where you need smell-o-vision because it smells so good. Okay, so this, what is it?
น้ำปลา
Numpara. You put a very little of this, it's very salty. Enough? Just a little?
Little.
Okay. A little bit of that. This stuff here, fish sauce.
ซีอิ๊วขาวเด็กสมบูรณ์ same sauce
Soy sauce.
a little
Okay, so we put 1 spoon, yeah? 1 teaspoon. We add a little bit of salt.
yes
Okay, so that's the mixture. There. Mix that up. And that's our sauce from Krapow. Okay, so now I can plug this back in. See, it was cooking a bit fast.
chicken carrot onion
Okay, we're putting all the ingredients in now. So we start off with the carrots and the onions. The chilli and then the chicken.
and salt if everything not okay take water in the pan
Right, so that goes in there. I'll stir it with this spoon so we can get rid of the sauce. Okay, so we used all of that sauce there. We put the sauce in there, yeah.
okay
Okay, so that's done. And we'll let that cook for a little while. We got a bit of colour. Now, do I need to add any more? Anything?
finish you venting the chicken burn and take Krapow last
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll put some of that in this bowl here, and just so I don't waste anything. So the Krapow will go in last because it don't take very long to cook.
venting the chicken finish
Okay, you let the chicken cook
in the Krapow in the last
very late, yeah. Hold on, you don't want that in there.
big chicken
Big chicken. You need it to be smaller, yeah?
you can take the cover in here and take water listen and venting
Okay, let's do that.
take water in there
Yeah, okay. Put some far water in.
venting the chicken finish yes and you
I'll give it a stir.
and you take cover
And we put the cover on the pan.
and you come
And we give it 5 minutes. So, let me get the cover. Here's the cover. Oh, nice. Okay, so we give it one last stir before I'll put the cover on, and we give it 5 minutes for the chicken to cook through. Give it 5 minutes.
okay
Okay, so 5 minutes has gone and the chicken is now cooked. If you want to take a look at the chicken, it's there. And then we have the Krapow here, Krapow leaves, and that'll all go in, yeah?
okay
So we put the Krapow in. So that's all in there. We give it a mix. And we give that 5 minutes
No.
Put-
Not I step to here and not long down.
Okay, we put the heat up
Yeah. And not long down.
and we put the lid
A little.
and we let the kapow.
Krapow and chicken different. Krapow little. And
Kapow cooks very quickly, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so there we are. That's pat kapow. Here's a kapow leaf.
Burn and non burn different. Burn and nice.
It's very sweet. And we also have rice
Okay.
ready. I'll give it another mix.
Finish.
Hold on.
Finish. Pick up. And finish.
Okay, so that is pat kapow
ไก่
K, made by Cheap Dave and
Num-
showed how to do it by Amanda.
Sing the steak.
Okay, we turn off, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so that's turned off. And that is pat kapow K. And there we are. So we'll give it a try.
You have spoon here.
Okay. So we put it in bowl. Okay. And there we have pat kapow K. Let me know what you think. I'm going to have a taste, see what it tastes like. Finished.
ถ้าชอบก็กด subscribe ชิปเดฟ Thailand and ยา in Thailand ด้วยนะคะ ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่ watching video ขอบคุณนะคะ thank you subscribe and ผู้ติดตามนะคะ thank you so much thank you
Pat kapow
ไก่ thank you
So here we are for the test now. See what we think. So we've got a spoon. I'll just try it without rice to start with. So we'll give it a try. See what it tastes like. So here we are. Pat kapow Kai, which is chicken. And we'll give it a try. That is my third attempt at making Thai food. Amanda is giving me all the instructions and telling me what ingredients. So thanks to her. I'm going to finish this. Thanks for watching. Okay, so that's it, all finished. Almost down to every last grain of rice. It's really nice. Later, I'm just going to make myself a couple of sausage butties. So back to the UK for me. Food tonight, but I won't need to eat for a long time now. I'm totally stuffed. So just worked out a cost on making that pat kapow Kai. The chicken, the onion, the carrot, garlic, kapow, and all of the sauces, just the dribbles here and there. Amanda's estimated it to cost around 40 baht. So you're talking between 90 pence and £1 for dinner. So very good. Oh, it may be a couple of bars on the electric bill. Very good. Team Dave.
Team Dave.
Team Dave Thailand. Team Dave Thailand.
Team Dave Thailand.
Yes.
Oh,
You look.
Team Dave Thailand.
Team Dave.
No.
Team Dave Thailand.
Team Dave Thailand.
Yay!